In Business, users have the options to go and create new user roles, edit those, and also manage the user access. For example, underneath Employees, we can see under the Users and Security section that we have two things, User Roles and Manage User Access. We'll first start with User Roles. Under User Roles, you can go and search for a specific role based off the status as well, active or inactive. And as you can see from here, it'll go and list the ones that you currently have within the system. It'll also let you know who the users are that currently are in each role. As you can see, one role does have the default status, so that when you do create new employees in the system, for example, that would be the default role that is assigned to them from the beginning. As we can see from over here, accessing any kind of role, for example, the user role, it will let us know which sections are granted permission for this role. So for example, anything that is highlighted with the gray lets us know that within accounting there are certain permissions that this user has. Now, if something were to be marked with a blue square, that will let us know that everything within a section, for example accounting, is marked to be set as a permission for that role, and so forth. As we can see to the right of here, we can add employees to this role specifically. So as you can see, we have some employees here already, and we can view their effective access. Clicking on this will let us know exactly what they have permission for. So as you can see, once we drop down on this arrow, we'll be able to see what they have permission-wise for collaboration and so forth. Another option that we do have is we can go and provide descriptions for each user role, and we can also assign this role to assign permissions. So if we want this user role to be able to assign permissions to other people, then we can go and check that off here, and it'll let us know that we have to go and select a user role that this role can assign and so forth. Or you can just simply add all, and then that option will allow them to add any user role to any employee. As we can see underneath the second option, we are managing the user access, so we can go and search by a specific function name. But underneath things in accounting, for example, we can view who has access into the AR report. If we go and click on Manage Access, for example, we'll be able to select user roles to grant access to this role. And we can also select employees to grant access as well. You can also have the option to add all or just clear all. Underneath the View Access, for example, what we would then do is see the employees, their current user roles, and view their effective access from here. We can also search by an employee name if need be.